welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I am going to teach standard costing. Material variance. Material variance means the differences in the material's cost due to cost factors which are actual cost and expected cost. So material variance is the difference between the actual cost incurred for the direct materials and the expected cost, which is also known as standard cost of the materials. So let us start with question number 2. From the following, calculate materials cost variance, materials price variance and materials usage variance. So in the given table, the material information is given for standard materials and actual materials. So first let us start with basic calculation. For material A, standard units are given as 600 and standard price per unit is given as 3. So we'll record it in the table. Materials A, standard unit is 600 and price per unit is 3. So the standard cost amount will be rupees 1800. Next, material B, standard units are given as 800 and standard price per unit is given as 5. So we'll record it. Material B, units are 800 and price per unit is 5. So the standard cost amount will be rupees 4000. Next, material C, standard units are given as 1000 and standard price per unit is given as 4. So we'll record it. Material C, standard units as 1000 and standard price per unit as 4. So the standard cost amount will be rupees 4000. Next, actual materials information is given. For material A, actual units are 640 and actual price per unit is 4. So we'll record it. For material A, actual unit is 640 and price per unit is 4. So the actual cost amount will be rupees 2560. Next, for material B, actual units are 960 and actual price per unit is 4.50. So we'll record it. Material B, actual units as 960 and actual price per unit as 4.50. So the actual cost amount will be rupees 4320. Next, material C, actual units are 840 and actual price per unit is 5. So we'll record it. Material C, actual unit is 840 and actual price per unit is 5. So the actual cost amount will be rupees 4200. Now let us start with calculation of variances. First, material cost variance, which is equal to standard cost minus actual cost. So for material A, standard cost amount is 1800. So we'll record it rupees 1800 minus actual cost. Actual cost amount is 2560, which will be equal to rupees 760, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. Next, material B, which is equal to standard cost. So standard cost for material B is 4000 minus actual cost amount is 4320, which will be equal to rupees 320, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. Next, for material C, standard cost is 4000 minus actual cost is 4200, which will be equal to rupees 200, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A, that is adverse. So the total amount will be rupees 9,800 minus 11,080, which will be equal to rupees 1,280, that is negative. So we'll mark it as A. Second, material usage variance, which is equal to standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. For material A, standard quantity is 600 units minus actual quantity for material A is 640 units into standard price. So standard price is 3 per unit, which will be equal to rupees 120, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. For material B, which is equal to standard quantity, so standard quantity is 800 minus actual quantity, which is 960, into standard price, that is 5 per unit, which will be equal to rupees 800, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. For material C, which is equal to standard quantity, so standard quantity is 1000 minus actual quantity, which is 840, into standard price. So standard price per unit is 4, which will be equal to rupees 640. So we'll mark it as F, that is favorable. So the total amount will be rupees 280, that is negative. So we'll mark it as A. Third, material price variance, which is equal to standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. So for material A, standard price is 3 per unit minus actual price is 4 per unit into actual quantity, that is 640 for material A, which will be equal to rupees 640, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. Next, material B, standard price is 5 per unit minus actual price is 4.50 into actual quantity, which is 960, which will be equal to rupees 480. So we'll mark it as F, that is favorable. Next, material C, standard price is 4 per unit minus actual price is 5 per unit into actual quantity, that is 840, which will be equal to rupees 840, that is negative. So we'll mark it as A. So the total amount will be rupees 1000, which is negative. So we'll mark it as A. So let us start with verification. Material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. So material cost variance total amount is 1280, that is negative. So we'll record it rupees 1280 adverse. Material usage variance amount is 280, that is negative. So we'll record it rupees 280, that is adverse, plus material price variance, which is rupees 1000, which is negative. So we'll record it rupees 1000 and mark it as A.